Welcome back to the channel. Getting into another calendar here. Got a couple more left out of the case. Alright, got an Aaron Rodgers this time. Somebody different. No Kabooms yet, but see if we can make that change. Thanks for stopping by the channel, hanging out with me, checking out the rips. If you like the content, hit me with a like and subscribe. How about them playoff games, man? Bears coming back. Panthers almost pulling off the upset. Had some good games so far. St. Brown and Purdy. Wilson, Dobbs. Man, when Green Bay was up 21-3, I thought that was it for Chicago. Somehow they pulled it out. Chris Jones again. Derek Carr. CD Lamb, Kelsey. If you're going to get any of these calendars, I would say pick up the 25s. You have a better chance at hitting something. 25s at least had the Christmas suit cards. And then they had the, like you'd get a random insert, base inserts, but you'd at least get an insert of some kind. Hit an autograph in the 25s. 24s is just a bunch of the base variants. I haven't noticed any numbered cards, anything like that. So if you are considering getting any of these, I would say get the 25s. Unless you want the book, the calendar itself, the big Kaboom looking thing of Parsons, Love, Purdy, Rodgers, whoever it is. Those are cool. The boxes on the 25 really aren't worth keeping, I don't think. Maybe to some people they might be. St. Brown and Purdy again. Same pack. I think the rookie card was different, but pretty much same pack. Jordan Lowe, Jackson Smith. Alright, halfway through. Benson, Josh Allen, Hutchinson, McCaffrey. Yeah, these are a lot of these packs has got a ding on. It's like one card gets it, and the other ones are good. Weird. It's like the third card, or the front card maybe. Either way, one card ding, the rest of them good. Most of the packs have been that way out of this calendar. Which is unfortunate. See, there's another one. When all you get is base, you would hope at least all the base cards are in decent shape. These companies charging a premium for product that isn't even mint out of the pack. Two cards damaged to that one. Yeah, this calendar's turning out to be a disappointment. If we do hit a Kaboom in it, chances are it's got something wrong with the corner. I don't know how every pack gets like that. Drake May. At least that one's not dinged. Will Shipley, Tua, Amari Cooper. Cooper Jean, Scary Terry, Herbert. 4 packs to go. Wilson, Levis, Devontae Adams. AJ Brown, Pittman Jr. 2 packs to go. Barton, Wilson, Puka. Last pack. Count down the fun. Like I said, the 25s are definitely more fun than these so far. This is calendar 6 or 7, and yet to hit anything. Alright, there is another countdown calendar with a bunch of bent base cards. Let's see if I can get the camera to focus on. So that's what, 1 out of 5 there. Two more in a row. Yeah, a lot of them are bent down there on the corner, which is unfortunate for being brand new out of the box. Quick little double check, make sure I didn't miss anything. Alright. Thanks for stopping by the channel, guys, checking out the rips. Like I said, we got a few more of these to go. Hopefully one of them is holding a Kaboom. If you like the content, hit me with a like, subscribe, drop in the comments who you got going to the World Series. Have a good one.